This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to turn on or off autoplay on Google Chrome. So right here on Google Chrome, just in Google Docs right here, we're going to come up to the very top and we're going to click on Chrome first of all. So just to the left of File, you see Chrome at the top left. We are going to click on Settings there. So you get the main settings open here. Now we need to consult with the sidebar and we click on Privacy and Security. And we have these options right here. So come all the way down to the bottom. Site Settings is what you click on. Now we have this bit at the bottom right here. You'll see Additional Content Settings right at the bottom here. We click on that. And that opens up some kind of subsequent options that we have right here. So sound right at the top is what we're clicking. Sounds, sites even can play sound. We will click on that. Now by default, sites can play sound on Chrome. If you want to actually turn that off, you can turn that off right here. That will stop the autoplay sound from actually taking place. You can customize the behavior right here as well. If you want to allow certain sites, you can do that as well. So there's nothing to save here. You don't need to click save or anything. That will automatically take place in your settings in your Google Chrome. If it doesn't, you might need to just quit out of Chrome and restart the browser, but that should automatically start with those settings, so you won't get the autoplay sound going on. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.